Crafting the perfect retirement plan for seniors. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the essential steps to plan the perfect retirement for seniors. Whether you're approaching retirement or helping a loved one, this comprehensive guide will ensure a smooth and enjoyable retirement journey. Understanding retirement goals. Step 1. Define your retirement goals. Consider factors such as lifestyle, health, and financial needs. What does your ideal retirement look like? Understanding your goals is the first key to a successful plan. Financial assessment. Step 2. Conduct a thorough financial assessment. Review your current income, expenses, and savings. Evaluate any outstanding debts. This will help you determine how much you'll need for a comfortable retirement. Explore retirement income sources. Step 3. Explore retirement income sources. Identify all potential income streams, such as pensions, retirement accounts, and Social Security. Understanding your income sources will help you plan a realistic budget. Healthcare planning. Step 4. Prioritize healthcare planning. Healthcare costs can be a significant expense in retirement. Investigate Medicare options, supplemental insurance, and long-term care plans to ensure your health needs are covered. Budgeting for leisure and hobbies. Step 5. Budget for leisure and hobbies. Retirement isn't just about saving, it's about enjoying life. Allocate funds for activities you love, whether it's travel, hobbies, or spending time with friends and family. Estate planning. Step 6. Consider estate planning. Ensure your assets are protected and distributed according to your wishes. Create or update legal documents like wills and trusts to provide clarity for your loved ones. Regular plan review. Step 7. Regularly review your plan. Life is dynamic, and so is your retirement plan. Periodically assess your goals, income, and expenses. Make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Congratulations! You now have the roadmap to plan the perfect retirement for seniors. By taking these steps, you can ensure financial security, good health, and a fulfilling retirement lifestyle. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe our channel How to Heroes, and share our videos. Thanks for watching, and happy retirement planning!